For centuries, we've gazed at the stars, asking one of humanity's oldest questions: are we alone? We've listened with radio telescopes, scanned distant worlds, and sent our own messages into the void. But what if the answer has been hiding in plain sight, buried within an avalanche of cosmic data, waiting for a mind vast enough to find it? What if that mind isn't human? Across the globe, a quiet revolution is underway. Artificial intelligence is being unleashed on the universe. Every night, our telescopes capture an unimaginable amount of information: petabytes of radio signals, light years of imagery, and complex spectral signatures from alien atmospheres. For a human team, sifting through this cosmic static is like trying to find one specific grain of sand on all the beaches of the world. It's an impossible task, but for an AI, it's just the beginning. These powerful algorithms are learning to think like cosmic detectives. They are trained on everything we know about physics, chemistry, and biology, but they aren't limited by our expectations. Humans search for what we think life should look like, what we think intelligence should sound like. We have biases built into our very biology. We search for patterns we recognize, for signals that resemble our own technology. But what if alien life communicates in a way we can't even conceive? This is where AI changes the game. Free from human cognitive bias, it can hunt for anomalous patterns that are so alien, so bizarre, that we would have dismissed them as simple noise. It could be a complex repeating structure hidden in the chaotic hiss of a quasar, or a subtle chemical imbalance in a planet's atmosphere that points not to life as we know it, but to a form of biology we've never imagined. These are called technosignatures, the fingerprints of technology. But maybe we've been looking for the wrong kind of prints. AI can search for digital echoes, for mathematical complexity, for signs of organization that defy natural explanation. Imagine an intelligence that doesn't use radio waves, but manipulates gravity itself, or a collective consciousness that communicates through the flickering of its star. A human might miss these signs, but an AI analyzing billions of data points simultaneously could detect the subtle underlying order. It wouldn't be looking for a message in a bottle. It would be looking for the bottle maker. This raises profound philosophical questions. For generations, we've imagined first contact as a moment of direct observation, seeing a ship, hearing a voice. But what if our first hint of life beyond Earth isn't found by an astronaut, but by an algorithm? What does it mean if the first entity to recognize extraterrestrial intelligence is, itself, non-human? It forces us to confront the nature of consciousness, both in the stars and in the machines we've created. Astrobiology is no longer just about looking for water or habitable zones. It's about looking for information, for complexity, for anything that breaks the silent, random hum of the cosmos. The AIs are listening, tirelessly scanning the endless darkness. They are our digital explorers, our silent partners in the greatest search of all time. We don't know what they will find. It could be something familiar, or it could be a form of existence so far beyond our comprehension that it rewrites our understanding of life itself. The universe is speaking in a language of immense complexity, and for the first time, we have a translator. The discovery might not come with a flash of light in the sky, but with a single line of code, signaling that the silence has finally been broken. Thank you for watching. If you want to continue exploring the frontiers of science and technology, be sure to subscribe.